You say that I don't love you, say my love's untrue. If I were a rich man, I'd prove my love for you. I'd buy for you a diamond ring, a new fur coat or two. And if my nose was running money, honey, I'd blow it all on you. If my nose was running money, I'd blow it all on you. Buy you a big old Cadillac and a PT Cruiser too. I'd build for you a mansion up on some mountaintop. If my nose was running money, but honey, it's not. It's a booger of a problem that I've got. Wish my nose was running money, but it's not. I'd buy you a Cadillac and a new Mercedes too. If my nose was running money, honey, I'd blow it all on you.
If my nose was running money, we'd have anything we'd please. Anytime we needed cash, all I'd have to do is sneeze. We'd all be eating high on the hog wouldn't be so lean. If my nose was running money, we'd be rolling in the green.
It's a booger of a problem that I've got. Wish my nose was running money, but it's not. I'd buy you a Cadillac and a new Mercedes too. If my nose was running money, honey, I'd blow it all on you.
If my nose was running money, we could eat out all the time. Fanciest restaurants in town where we'd go to dine. We could blow my nose, pay the check right before we'd leave. We'd give the waitress a great big tip, what I'd wiped on my sleeve.
It's a booger of a problem that I've got. Wish my nose was running money, but it ain't. I'd buy you a Cadillac and a new Mercedes too. If my nose was running money, honey, I'd blow it all on you. If my nose was running money, honey, I'd blow it all on you.
Makes me hungry.